Video 341, Simpler Auto Tile Shader, Part 60. Let's go look at the code. So in the Tile Boy function section, we have added this function. It takes a layer, V16 value, and an auto tile method bits, 6 of them, because it also includes rotation. It takes these 3 values, bit packs it into a U32. Here are the inputs here. A lot of this has been cut and pasted, hence the COP and CPR tags down here. We're going to error check the inputs, make sure they're within bounds, and then we're going to call this helper function to pack most of the information. And then depending on which layer we're on, we're going to pack extra information. So these auto tile mirroring bits, they only go into, the auto tile method bits, they only go into the geometry info layer. If we're on the BOM layer or the FATA layer, we're just going to assign the U32 to itself because we don't have any extra information to pack into those bits. We're going to return here, and then here's where we're going to call this from. Inside of mouse master editor put U32, where we can take a mouse position on the canvas, whether or not we're clicking and dragging, and put data into the tile map. Inside of the call editor tile putter function, or section, we have added this function call right here. So the layer and the tile value and the auto tile method bits converted to a U32. So what we've changed here is this is AM4 rather than AM6. And we're going to take all this stuff and we're going to bit pack it into this U32 here. And then we're going to set that bit packed binary tile value into the correct location within our world map. Here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go to this playlist. You are on this playlist. I'm filming everything 3 times in a row. Source code is here. Email me here. And email me here. And with that said, you've been on video 341. Like, subscribe, send money.